There are numerous items accessible to women's embroidered boots, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best women's embroidered boots from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Women's Western Cowboy Boots. Rubber sole. Heel measures approximately 2.3 inches. Chunky heel 2.3 inches. Low chunky heel to provide stability and support. Classic Western style. These cowboy boots are definitely classic Western style, and they also can be considered as a pair of stylish mid-calf slouch boots to create a chic look. Easy to slip on and off. Convenient pull-up tag on both sides makes it easy for people with different foot shapes to wear and off. Rubber sole constructed with durable rubber outsole and stable heel. These boots will be so comfortable to keep in all day walking. Versatile. You'll love pairing them with anything from skinny jeans to cute dresses for versatile styling. They are suitable for daily walking, shopping, dating, working, traveling, and outdoors. Number 2. Charles Albert Women's Embroidered Modern. Man-made sole. Shaft measures approximately 11 from arch. Platform measures approximately 0.25. Boot opening measures approximately 16 around. Kicking it cowboy style. Ride to the head of the posse in this pair of vegan leather women's mid-heeled boots that go with jeans or skirts as you please. Step up to vintage fashion. Slip into some classic fashion. Tuck in your distressed jeans, let them peek out from under a pair of bell-bottoms, or flaunt them with contrasting leggings. Easy on and off. What busy lady can't use no-fuss footwear? These boots are just slip-on, then slip off for those times when you really don't want to struggle with your shoes. Which is like every time. Rodeo and dance floor ready. Whether it's roppin' or two-steppin', these boots can scoot from the ringside to an evening out with aplomb. Perfect for all seasons. These boots are the ideal boot that goes with all seasons, keeps you nice and warm in the fall and winter, and provide a stylish and fashionable look for those long spring and summer nights. Number 3. Coutgo Women's V-Cutout Kitten Heel Ankle Boots. Material suede and faux leather, chic, smooth, and elegant. Feature classic pointy-toe ankle boots, designed by suede and faux leather stitching. Side zipper closure, slip-on, easy to take on, off. Match. These shoes are suitable for spring, summer, fall, and winter. The unique design perfect with coat, suits, t-shirts, shorts, dress, jeans, and daily wear. Occasion. You can wear these stilettos to work, shopping, wedding, party, club, office, school, date, walking, and other activities. Not feeling tired all day. Tips. There are 5 colors for you to choose: black, white, brown, light brown, and light khaki. Please check the size carefully before buying. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Number 4. GLOBALWIN Women's The Western Cowboy Cowgirl Boots. 100% vegan premium synthetic leather upper. These mid-calf women's cowboy boots are made of high-quality Italian faux leather. Women's boots should not only provide the privilege of luxury but as well as up-to-date fashion. Design. These women's cowgirl boots are set on sturdy block heels reinforced with cool interpretation of Western styles cowboy-inspired embroidery. For all occasions, you can wear short cowgirl boots all seasons. Available in black, dark gray, chocolate brown, light brown. Match them with midi dresses or jeans. Ankle to mid-calf fit with side zip, easy to put on and off. These short cowboy boots for women features zipper on the side for easy on and off. Number 5. HISEA Cowboy Boots Women Western Boots. Shaft measures approximately 13.8 inches from the arch. Heel measures approximately 2 inches. Western classic style HISEA cowgirl boots with classic Western embroidery on shaft and foot. The snip toe styling with traditional Western wooden heel and long-wearing rubber sole. Heel measures approximately 2. Dual pull tabs for easy on and off. All-day comfort. Soft synthetic lining wicks away moisture, offers a comfortable next-to-skin feel, and provides cushioning to give feet comfort. Flexible wooden outsole allows to run and jump around while feeling comfy. Looks and feels like real leather. These women cowboy boots are made with high-quality synthetic leathers, which combine fashion, durability, and an affordable price. Dear buyers, please read the size chart before purchasing. Our cowgirl boots are ideal for all seasons and most of the occasions, such as shopping, dating, travel, wedding, dance, college, office, and so on. And we will provide 1-year quality assurance backed by us. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.